Hi everyone, this is Heather Lawton from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 370 and I want to share with you a post that is over in the FA community right now, and I'm just wondering if this has ever happened to you because I know it has happened to me. She says, in the last month I have had probably 5 messages from clients wanting their wedding captured and not wanting to pay hardly anything. It's just a small wedding, 25 people tops. I just need pictures of the ceremony, 1.5 hours at the most. He's wearing a shirt and shorts. I'm wearing a sundress. What do you do in cases like this? Do you go lower on your normal charging cost? And I think this is a great question. I will say this, I have different types of wedding coverage. And I have my full packages, which actually, full packages. I have one package because I like to keep it simple. And then I have intimate coverage. But intimate coverage, which is what I would describe this as, is only offered during off-season or when I have availability. So I have my big package. And then if you have a small wedding like this, I have a small intimate package. And that coverage is available again in the off-season or if I'm available and I'd like to take a wedding. So for instance, it's July. It's August 1st right now. If I got an inquiry for small intimate coverage for, say, June of next year, the answer would be absolutely not. I would not book an intimate wedding that far in advance when chances are I could book my full package for that date. Now, again, August 1st. If I got a request, let me look at my calendar. If I got a request for intimate coverage for, say, August 25th of this month, of which I am available, you better believe I would wheel and deal, because to me, some money is better than no money. But hold on, if I'm available and if I want to shoot, I like to photograph weddings. So if I had something planned with my family or I was busy, I could say no to that. But if I'm available and I like to shoot and I enjoy making money, then I will work with a client based on their budget because it's something I wish to do. If you do not wish to do that, you don't have to. You could have set hourly coverage, intimate coverage that has a rate. You could have your full rate and you can offer that whenever you'd like. So you don't have to worry about what the client is saying or not saying they're doing. It's really up to you based on how you structure your business and your approach to these things. Now, I saw my friend Andrea commented. She says she offers an intimate wedding package that can be booked up to 60 days out, must have less than 20 guests, and may be booked hourly with a minimum of 3 hours at my full hourly rate. I love this. She has a process in place for these types of requests. So don't assume that people are lowballing you. I think when I first started in photography and I would get requests like this, I almost approached it in an adversarial manner. It was like they're trying to get something out of me, and I was very self-focused and here's my rates and you should just pay my rates. Don't you know how much my gear costs or how much time I put into this or what my editing schedule looks like? No, guess what? No, they don't, and they don't care, and nor should they. They don't have to worry about my business. That was me being very self-focused. Once I figured out it was not about me, but it was about the client, I structured my packages so that they would work for both of us. And if they wish to have intimate coverage and they want to hire me based on that rate, then absolutely. And if they don't, that's a-okay too. But I see a lot of comments that make me think some people take personal offense to these types of requests, and I don't think that you should. It has nothing to do with you. If somebody is having that small of a wedding, then they are probably approaching it from a very budget-friendly standpoint. And if that's the case, hey, good for them. Set it up so that it works for everyone. And if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. If you are not part of the FA community group, you need to join us. I will post the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.